Hello, love. Now I'm going to show you how to find the inverse of a function from the graph. So I have this lovely graph drawn for you, square root of x plus 3. So what I'm going to do is find some points that I can read rather easily. Now, if you don't have any, you could also use the original function and make a table and reverse those points. But if I can see some of these points without having to calculate, I'll do that. I think that's a lot more fun. Now, let's see, that's definitely a good point to choose. And I think the point 6, 3 is also on the graph. And if you aren't sure, plug a 6 in for x and add 3 to it, and eventually I think your f of x will prove to be 3. And so we have 6, 3. And that might be enough for our purposes. Sometimes you may need a few more, but I think that will be quite lovely for us here. So instead of negative 3, 0, my new graph will be 0, negative 3. So I'll put a point right there in a lovely shade of purple. Pirates love purple and pink. Very piratey colors, you know. So now I have 0, negative 3 on my new graph. And 6, 3 was on the original graph, so 3, 6 will be on the new graph. So I'll put that also in a lovely shade of purple. So there's 3, 6. And I'm going to connect these 2 points with a curve. And one way you could check your work, love, if you were to draw the line y equals x. So let me draw the line y equals x for you. If I do that, so there's the line y equals x. I'm going to draw that now. A lovely shade of green, very lovely. If you take the line y equals x and you flip the original graph across that line, kind of like I flipped my boat upside down once to get out of World's End. It was kind of a terrible situation. There were lots of desert things and crabs and rocks and all kinds of terrible, awful things. So we flip the boat upside down, just like you flip the function upside down, and you can see that they form a mirror image of each other, love.